The real estate market has heated up, and certain markets are seeing multiple offer scenarios where there is low inventory. Hi, I'm Mariela Velazquez with eXp Realty and Homes by Mariela. As a home buyer, putting an offer on a property that has multiple offers can be daunting and frustrating, but it doesn't have to be that way if you have the right real estate agent or professional working on your behalf and making the offer more attractive and increasing the chances of being accepted. As a buyer, there are several things you could do to make your offer more attractive and increase the chances of being accepted. Here are a few suggestions. Offer a competitive price. One of the most effective ways to make your offer stand out is to offer a competitive price. This does not necessarily mean you have to offer the highest price, but it should be fair based on the current market conditions in the area. Also, be flexible with closing date. Sometimes sellers need more time to move or have to close quickly. Offering a flexible closing date can be a big incentive for getting an offer accepted. Offering free rent back to the seller can be very enticing if they need more time to close. You can even offer a large earnest money deposit. This shows the seller you are a serious buyer and shows commitment to the sale. Or maybe limit your contingencies if at all possible. Limit as many contingencies as you can to make your offer more appealing to the seller. This may mean waiving the appraisal or inspection depending on the property. Finally, being pre-approved for a mortgage shows a seller you have your financial means to make the purchase and have taken the steps to secure financing. Also, being able to show strong proof of funds will show the seller you are in a good financial position to make the purchase. Bottom line, it's always best to work with an experienced real estate agent and lender who can show you the different strategies to help make your dream a reality. Reach out to my team and I so we can strategize your next move. I'm Mariela Velazquez with eXp Realty, helping you make the right move. So if you like what you see, click and subscribe on the button below and turn on your notification bell. If you liked and follow me on social media and send me some love. Have a blessed